how to log out of your Discord account on your mobile device. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can log out of your Discord account on your mobile device. But before I do, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, straight into it. So first, open up the Discord app. Once you're in the app, click on your profile picture in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. This takes you to your user settings. Next, click on the button at the top right hand corner of the screen, the button with an arrow in it. And then it will ask you, are you sure you want to log out? So if you really want to log out, click on the button there and you're done. And that's all it takes to log out of your Discord account on your mobile device. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you like the video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments if this worked for you. Thanks for watching.